Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel.
In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create amazing YouTube shorts using ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Flow.
If you've ever wanted to make high quality short videos without spending hours editing or writing scripts, this tutorial is for you.
I'll walk you through everything step by step, from generating ideas to writing scripts, creating visuals, and finally exporting your short.
So make sure you watch till the end, because by the time you finish this video, you'll be able to create professional YouTube shorts in just a few minutes.